Okay, so let's take a look at how you can sync Google Sheet with Airtable. So here I'm going to type in Google Sheet sync with the Airtable entry. Let's see if finds any zap for that. So this AI will find the zap here. So when you update any spreadsheet, it will create a record in Airtable. So we will try this one. Now here you can see option to choose account, then choose your spreadsheet, then choose particular sheet, right? Then you can go through all of this, right? So I will pick one up, then choose worksheet, right? And then click continue. Now this will test the trigger before we move to Airtable. Now in Airtable, as you can see, we have name, subject, content, just like we have with Zapier, one of the tables. So this particular entry will be synced here in the fifth entry. Now if I go back to Zapier, I will select the record, choose event, create record with auto populating fields, just add create or update record, right? Click next, continue. Now we'll choose the base, then table, then lookup field, name, right? Then secondary lookup is subject, right? Now here we will add name, then we will add subject, then we add content. Now we will go to test this particular instance. Now what we can do is publish this and wait for that to show the pop-up, right? So it is showing the pop-up, that means we can test it. So let's go here. You can see fifth entry is added, right? So what if I add another entry? So let's see. And third would be content, which is our right. So we have our content here. Once we add new content, it will trigger Zapier, then it will also update this, right? So I'll refresh, right? So go to my Zap and we will be checking in whether Zap is created and available. Right, so let me refresh. Our spreadsheet is also refreshed. Going back to dashboard, let's take a look at the Zap part. Right there you can see sync Google Sheets with Airtable. It is currently running, last edit 1 minute ago, so it will take a bit of time to sync all of that, right? So here we can also take a look at the history of the task executed, right? Only one entry should be there, that too we have manually pushed, and currently it is not doing this in real time, so you have to wait for 6 entry to Zap, right? Meanwhile here you see one of the entries added here and there is Airtable, right? So to push for, we'll click on Zap and then well click here. Let's see if it, okay, now I can again push for transfer data. Let's see what it does this time. Now so the new entry that we are seeing here, I can send it now from that part. Now once this entry is passed, I can click exit, go back to my Zap. Now here you will see new entry is added. So we get the idea how to connect Google Sheet with Airtable.